In this video I want to show you which camera gear I put in my hand luggage when we are traveling. I always take more than enough memory cards with me. For backing up our footage, I use the Samsung T5 SSD drives. The batteries have to be in the hand luggage too. The battery terminals must be protected from a short circuit, so either you put it in a plastic bag or you tape the battery terminal. Don't forget the battery charger. One of my favorite tools, the drone. It's great for establishing landscape shots. When you shoot during bright daylight, you need an ND filter. My style is to shoot wide angle. That's why I take the Tamron 17-28 with me. In addition, and when I need to get a little closer, I use the 28-75 from Tamron. Because we take photos and videos, we use the Sony a7R III. You can make high resolution stills and it's good for travel videography. Depending on the project, we also use the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. For stabilizing my footage, I need a gimbal. For recording audio, I use the Rode Wireless Go Set and an external lav mic. Lav mic. I also take the notebook with me. And for all cases, the Swiss Army knife. Right, this belongs in the suitcase. Oh, Scheiße.
Was ist da los?
Nix.
Bist du deppert?
Kümmere dich um deinen eigenen Senf.
Ja, du kannst mir den Buckel rutschen.
Ja, du mich auch.
David, love your neighbor.
Yeah, you're right. I'm done with packing. Where do we go?
First, you will go and bring the garbage out.